How to create folders in Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged into Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to create folders in Horde. Click the Mail menu. Then click Folder Actions. Click Create Mailbox. Enter a name for the new folder. Then click OK. The new folder has been created, as we can see here. Now let's delete the folder we just created. Right-click on the new folder. Then click Delete. Click OK. The folder has been deleted. We can return to the screen to create additional folders at any time. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create folders to manage emails in Horde.